Just a little bit of show you all of the Cecil's toys and his cockpit in this truck. There's my GPS and my logbook. Shows I've been here 45 minutes already. Satellite radio and my new laptop. Oh, you can't see it very well in this light, but anyhow, it's really cool. And then my new TV. I am so happy. It is so cool. Here's my little deep freeze with all my goody Weight Watcher meals and my apples. And of course, where I go to bed. And my microwave. Oh. And my closet for my shirts. All kinds of goodies. I'm so happy with my new TV though.